work from here. And then what's the first problem that you got wrong? Or what's one that you could you want to get some more in depth? Yeah, yeah. So let's actually, in fact, instead of you saying it, why don't you write it out here? Sure. Turn the power on. This will warm up in a second. So the one, you see these buttons here? Yeah. Try not to press those, and then this mimics the monitor. So if I'm in the top right corner on this, look where my mouse is. Top left, top left, right? If I'm in the bottom right corner, guess where my mouse is? And bottom left over here, my mouse is on the bottom right. So if you write small here, you'll be able to start figuring it out. So write the problem down. Choose any color you want. Got that light to disappear some for you. Perfect. So it's just saying, what's it telling you to do too? What's it saying bold there? What does it say above? Does it say simplify or solve? What's it? Solve and graph. So let's do this here, and you want to bring your lunch a little closer here? Cool. Now I got my marker that I can work with, and you can have yours too. So let's solve and graph this guy. So when you write, I'll let you write in yellow, and then when I write, I'll write in green. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down just a little bit and give me, where? There we go. There's your stuff. And here's my stuff right here. So what I'm going to do is say, hey, it wants you to solve this, right? So I'm thinking the first thing that it wants you to do is isolate the variable x. So do I want a negative or positive x? So let's move x, and in fact, this whole term right here, because I got one term, right? I'm going to move that all the way over here to the left, okay? So now I'm going to end up with 7/8 plus, because I'm adding, how do I undo subtraction here? Yeah, so I'm going to add and add x over 6 on both sides, okay? So now I have 7/8 plus x over 6 is still greater than 15 over 16. So now I'm just going to give us some space here, dividing the line. And now, well, the next question is, how can I write it still to get x by itself? I know that x is going to be positive now, but how do I get it by itself? So I'm going to let you change your color. You've got the board now. So now you have, the next question is, well, how do you get the fraction of x over 6 by itself? Well, in fact, I could do that, or I could do something even easier still. And that is, let's take this whole fraction right here, 7/8, and move it to that side of the board. Okay? Yeah, subtract 7/8 from both sides. So that's okay, I'll fix that. Okay, so subtract 7/8 from both sides. Now, what's your new equation look like on the right of that arrow? Now, is it x over 6 or x over 16? Okay, let's fix that. You're good. How did you get 116? Okay, so you have 14 over 16, and then you subtracted 15 sixteenths minus 14 sixteenths. You got 14 sixteenths by converting 7 eighths to 14 sixteenths, correct? Okay, so now you have x over 6 is greater than 1 over 16. So still, x is not isolated. You still need to isolate that variable. So Corinne, what do you need to do here to get x by itself? Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So multiply those sides by 6. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So x is greater than 3 eighths, correct? Absolutely. So now here's your last part. And what I'm going to do is give you some more space here. Hey, Michael, glad you could join us. We're working on a problem here, and then you can jump right in. But start eating your lunch, and then what you'll do is you'll just jump in with us, okay? So now you got your number line. It says, hey, graph this, Corinne. Do I need this big of a line? No, but, just for now. I'm going to offset 0 and put it all the way to the left, okay? Because I'm dealing with what? A positive number. And I'm going to say, hey, way down on this side, oops, way down on this side, I'm going to say, hey, this number is 1. Well, I know 3 eighths is somewhere between 1 and 0, or 0 and 1. I know 3 eighths is somewhere between. Yeah, so about what percentage would 3 eighths be? Yeah, it's less than half. So go ahead and write that down. Yeah. That's going to be 3 eighths right about there. And why did I say it's less than half? Because you on the number line itself have moved less than halfway on the number line. You get what I'm saying? Okay. So now you've got to graph this scale. Well, it says right over here, hey, let me do it up here. You're telling me that, hey, x is greater than 3 over 8, right? So if x is greater than, how are you going to, actually, I want to change colors here. I'm going to choose blue for you. Go ahead and mark on the number line what you would do. How would you mark x is greater than 3 eighths? Where would you mark it? What would you do? Yeah? Yeah? In that direction. Yeah, and on the graph, I'm not going to mark it wrong, but some testing companies might. What you'll really want to do is mark right here, and then say, hey, just really highlight this. Just let them know. This is where my graph is right here, and it's moving in a positive direction because x is all values greater than 3 eighths. Okay? So we're going to stop this. I'm going to save this video. And what you can do you have a flash drive on you, Corinne? You want to give me that?